Have you heard about the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland? It looks like it's made by giants.
Giants? What, like some fantasy kingdom?
It's a natural wonder. It's made up of thousands of hexagonal basalt columns that look like stepping stones leading into the ocean. It's so perfect, people used to think giants built it.
Wow, nature's version of Tetris. So how did it actually form?
It was created by volcanic activity millions of years ago, but the shapes are so precise, it still feels otherworldly.
That's unreal. Nature is a better architect than we are.